Self-adhesive or double-sided tapes are a very effective way of installing plastic angles onto most surfaces. Tubeway can supply angles and tapes either separately or applied before dispatch. There are full details on our websites tubewayextrusions.com and our purchasing site tubewaysales.com. This video shows how best to select the tape, apply it and then install the angle. Firstly, choose the profile you need, in this case an angle. There are plenty of stock and production options, bearing in mind pack sizes and minimum order quantities. Then, pick the type of tape you intend to use. Different tapes suit different surfaces, which are all listed on our websites. Foam tape is the best all-rounder, good for rough and textured finishes. Clear tape suits clean, flat surfaces. High mass tape is the most aggressive, with resistance to temperature extremes and moisture. Next, get the right size tape. Pick the width to allow at least 2 mm margin on both sides to stop an overlap in the angle or visibility at the edge. For example, this 13 mm tape on 19 mm angle is ideal. Make sure you order enough tape. Remember that 30 meters of angle will need 60 meters of tape if it's being applied on both faces. Finally, decide if you want Tubeway to apply the tape for an appropriate labour charge. This can save you time or complication on site. We centre the tape on the angle face to get an even fitted finish. If applying tape yourself, put the angle where it won't move, stretch the tape and apply. And then trim each end with a sharp knife. To install, we recommend that you peel one end of the tape liners and fold back, like so, before placing the angle in position. Then take the liners you peeled back and pull out from underneath. Press firmly to finish off. Don't pull the whole liner off and then attempt to stick it in place, as the tape will grab the first surface it touches and could spoil the job. Don't forget to visit tubewayextrusions.com or tubewaysales.com for products and details, or call our experienced sales team on 01473 251 051 or email us sales@tubeway.co.uk. Thanks for watching.